What's up guys, it's HB here, and today I have got my head is like kind of out of frame, right? Let me fix that. So I'm going to unbox this this is Boya PVM 1000 shotgun microphone. Okay, so I have got a nice bag. Okay, let's see what else we got. We have got a instruction manual with some specification and whatnot. I don't need this. Also, we got a dead cat windshield for this microphone, so I will test that how effective this is. So first of all, we have got some I guess this is balanced cable. It has 3 connection here. I'm not sure. I will test that. So this is the microphone itself with a windshield. Here is a LED and off, on, and your low cut. So it comes with a nice vibration reducer or shake reducer. That's good. I'm liking this inclusion of the accessories. You can mount this thing directly to your microphone stand above here, and you have some adjustment here also, so you can adjust the angle of the microphone from here. So that's nice. And what else is nice is you have this nice adaptive which you can use to mount this thing over here, and then this thing goes top on your cold shoe, so you can mount this thing to your camera's hot shoe or cold shoe. The dead cat is really cheap, and for some reason I'm not liking it. The hairs are just losing, so that's not good. So the dead cat goes like so. At outdoor in very windy situations, this will be a little bit handy to have. So this was my quick unboxing of this Boya PVM 1000. And there was another thing, which is the adapter, this thing, and some o-rings. Now the only thing we have to see is if the sound quality is good or not. If it's good, then it's all good. Here goes your 1.5 volt AA battery, and here you connect your XLR. So this was my unboxing of this Boya shotgun microphone, and in another video I will review this thing. I will test the sound, and I will also compare the sound with the Panasonic EM2800A microphone, which is much more cheaper than this Boya microphone. And as you can see, the Panasonic one is also very taller. The Panasonic one is metal. This thing is also metal, but the overall build quality feels robust in the Boya, and it feels a little bit richer. Then it feels just a little bit cheaper. Anyway guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button down below, and to get more tech videos, click the subscribe button down below. Anyway guys, stay tuned, stay awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next one.